little guys. They can do it all. You're not ready! The tramp? You're not gonna believe this, dearie, but no matter how tight a jam he's in, the tramp always finds some way out. I can quite easily believe that. What a dog. You're not going to sing, are you? What? No. Copyright. Which lets you learn things like Emerald Lagasse isn't. I really love Stella, and she doesn't get enough time on screen. Stella, we're going to do a craft today.
I said, hide it.
Burn it! Burn it!
Yeah, she makes me do things too.
Yes.
I discovered this a few years ago because I couldn't figure out what was going on. It was the first time it ever cropped up. Cropped up? Sorry, I didn't mean to make you spit.
I'm just gonna ask him a bunch of questions and be really annoying.
So they said, let's get her quiet and just send her a pillow. Is that it? You were so annoying they just said, forget it, just send her a pillow. There you go. And that's what we're here for, everyone. We are here to educate and entertain.
I think the entertain comes first.
Yeah.